Okay.
Did you happen to see the most beautiful girl in the world? The Love Boat soon will be making another run, and love. Hey, did you happen to see the most beautiful girl in the world? And if you did, was she crying? It's love. She hates the love boat theme. The Love Boat soon will be making another run. Welcome aboard, it's love. She hates that part.
You go back to the other.
Hey, did you happen to see the most beautiful girl in the world? And if you did, was she crying? Crying. Hey, welcome aboard, it's love. You look like a little leprechaun. I want to hold you in me arms. I want to eat me Lucky Charms. I love you, leprechaun. Welcome aboard, it's love.